Once you're done wrapping your hair, you're gonna wanna add your scrunchie. I don't have it on my wrist, and so a little tip if you have to go grab it is to just flip the end of the headband up. It'll clamp it down. Here's my scrunchie. Also, just another note is we actually redesigned the scrunchie to be extra stretchy because nothing in the market was stretchy enough for heatless curls. And they're also extra skinny so they don't add bulk to your updo. But yes, when we add our scrunchie, we want to gently hug our hair. We don't want to put so many wraps around that it clamps it down, because if you do that, it's going to cause the ends to end up being super, super tight curls with like weird creases all around it. And so that's actually why like all the other scrunchies that we tried didn't work, was because they did that. They were just way too tight on the ends. So instead, if you look, I'm going to put it over once. Here's my second time. And a third time. I usually do it about 3 times, depending on how thick your hair is. Twice, 3 times should be enough. If you're going 4 times, you're likely making it unnecessarily tight on your hair, so I don't recommend that. And then if you have ends splayed out, just gently wrap them around and tuck them in. Now, if you have layered hair, or there's like short hair and you have hair like kind of splaying out, like even here, I have this piece here. Don't worry too much about it, because when you twist and you secure it into the cute updo, and then you tuck the ends around the headband, that end tuck basically captures those splayed pieces and likewise helps them shape over the headband and curl. So don't fret too much about like a couple little splayed pieces. It doesn't need to be perfect. It'll work just the same. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any other questions or you want any other tips or tricks, please drop a note in the comment section below. We love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for being our curl friend.